Club's Club.
There's a tiger at the zoo, and she has two little babies. One runs away, and now there are how many? One little tiger baby, and one big tiger mommy. 1 + 1 is 2, and now there are how many? There's a bear at the zoo, and he has 3 little babies. One runs away, and now there are how many? 2 little bear babies and 1 big bear daddy. 2 + 1 is 3, and now there are how many? There's a zebra at the zoo, and she has 4 little babies. One runs away, and now there are how many? 3 little zebra babies and 1 big zebra mommy. 3 + 1 is 4, and now there are how many? There's a panda at the zoo, and he has 5 little babies. One runs away, and now there are how many? 4 little panda babies and 1 big panda daddy. 4 + 1 is 5, and now there are how many? There's a monkey at the zoo, and she has 6 little babies.